Share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see.
Cute.
The birdie's cute. Hi, how are you? One adult, one child. Sorry? She's 6. No, hers is coming. This one is mine, yeah. Okay. Yeah, tap. Thank you. Oh. Hey, girl. You can. Take a picture of
Does it
it.
have that big thing?
I don't know. This one is called a northern ground hornbill. Where are you? There.
Yeah.
Hey, birdie.
Just want to say,
You want to take a picture? Did I say hi to my blog? Hey, Gray Pop.
Hey.
These days, uhamba ngelinye ngiyasaba. Ngiyasaba.
December.
It's December, you look too good. Is it loud?
it doesn't want to.
New camera design, continue. It can, here we go. Take pictures. Zoifana only wristband. Zoifana la natin.
So it's a pre-show at 2.
Oh. Oh, right now.
At 2.
Okay. So you still have time, Danny? That page. Look at that. My little influencer.
Yeah, let's go to the next.
You wanna go to the next? Okay, we can't go too far yet. That one's your favorite? We haven't even seen all of them. We are at Umngeni Bird Park. This is a blue and yellow macaw. Where is it? Can you see it, Lunamo?
There it is.
Oh, there.
Mommy influencer and baby influencer.
And you know what it is.
Please, buddy.
Exactly.
There's a white one.
Oh, look at that. Can you see it? Okay, I can't. It's so pretty. What's next? This side. Oh, look at how big that one. King vulture. You know that vultures eat.
I'm looking at him. You're looking at me.
He's looking at you. You take a picture of him. Hey, Mngani. Welcome back to a new vlog. It is a Saturday and we are at the bird park with my Mnganis. Hello. This is they've got a lot of cockatoos.
Hello.
Hello. Friend, we have to wait for Lizzie Bay here. We can't go in any further, ne? It's actually so pretty here. I love it. Oh, they even have like a cafe. I'll show you guys around. This is what it looks like. We're still at the beginning of our little bird tour. But yeah. Yaziwa lana yabo. What's an extra friend wenza njalo? Okay.
Hey, my baba.
I'm trying to multitask.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah, very nice. Zoya, please stand back a little bit, my angel. I'm trying to take a picture of Auntie Nontu and her swag. Really influencer yami engizele bani. Ithi nje siyashutha la. Yeah, but don't fall, okay? Can you reach? Can you see? Do you want to say hi to it? It's dirty. Because it's flying in the wild.
Yes, it does want to be our friend.
Yeah, it's looking at us like, hey.
There's more.
Yeah, there's more, but we need to wait for Lizzie Bear. Lizzie Bear is coming. Okay. I got of the swag though. Wait, look down like, yeah. God. Okay, look at them.
Oh, no, I trust you.
There's one right close. Can I take off Zoe? Zoya,
Someone touched it.
do you want to touch it? Make sure it doesn't
You have
thingy.
to ask first.
Bite you.
Yeah.
Someone bite.
You have to
Careful.
ask first.
So cute. Phela in lapho. No. Oh, shone pants. Oh, okay. Yini nakuphela la. Yes. Ha, ngiyabuza lana. Angithi. Okay, got you guys. Can I have one? Thanks. I'm just the designated picture lady. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture now. Coming back, guys. This one made us touch his hair.
Head.
Hi. Oh, there we go again. You're turning for me. Oh. Hey, cockatoo. Thank you. Oh, the back. Oh, so
Making
cool.
me touch you back.
Yeah.
It's looking at me like Leo.
Okay, yegag. Makubegi phela kel. Do you want to come back here when you're done?
Say bye.
To say bye to the bird. What you gonna name the bird?
Easy base 2 minutes away.
Easy Base 2 minutes away, then we can move from here. We will just see the other places.
I'll call him Tutu.
Tutu. I like the name Tutu. Free bird show times. There we go. We're gonna go. We're about to do it.
That's that bird.
We're gonna go. Do you know what that is?
No?
Let's go see.
Let's go see.
Yeah. Bye, cockatoo.
Bye, cockatoo.
Cockatoo is a real winner.
Peacock higele. Is it not?
Yeah.
It is a peacock.
Oh, it is a peacock.
Oh my God.
There's more. There it is. Okay, Lizzie Bear's coming.
Ding, ding, dong.
How pretty.
Look how the feathers are. They so long.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how it's walking. Walking.
How pretty it is. There's more this side.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. The sun is nice and hot. Oh wow, look at that. So pretty. Yo, I look like I'm super exposed in the sun. Yeah. Hey, Peacock. Oh, bears, why you peacock? Hey, Lizzie Bear.
Oh my god.
Oh, he trying to be in it.
Lisa, say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Because when it does that, you're making me out touching.
You're touching?
Go.
This is such a good idea, Trudy. I love.
You know what people do? It tastes. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. Quang quang quang. Quang
Guang, guang, guang. What do you think these are?
They look like flamingos.
That looks like a duck. Flamingo is long legs, long,
And they're pink.
and they pink.
I know they do like these. They like cooking these. Do like this. A flamingo looks like a bird.
A flamingo does look like a bird. It is a bird.
Look, all of the birds together.
You took that? Damn, girl. Okay. Hmm? What's happening there? That smells like poo. I don't like how it smells. Taking a picture of the forest. I should have bought my Apple Watch. Because we're getting our steps in, you know? Literally. Wearing my fancy smanchy watch. Oh, what's happening here? A hawk.
Oh, really? Did you see it in there?
Do you see it, Zoya? I can't see it. Oh, I should have bought my glasses. My real glasses. Oh, I can see it there. Okay, I don't think you guys can see it. I can see it. Mm-hmm. Hey. Oh, the friend touched my hair. Oh my god, which one is that one? What is that? A blue crane. Do you know that a blue crane Lunamo is our national bird?
No, it's a Narado store.
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
So this is, see, this is a stork baby. That's how you got to.
Mommy,
Yeah.
a stork delivered you. Which one is this one, baby? Oh.
It's cute.
Oh, which one? What's this one called? So close to us. Hi.
Hello, cockatoo.
No, this is not a cockatoo.
I'm just saying it.
Oh my goodness, I only have 3 minutes remaining on this. Will I capture the bird show? This is why we need to go to the doctor.
Yeah, but the doctor is closed.
Yeah, we did go. Shit. Thank you. Let's go down this way. Hold my hand, darling. Oh, look at the flamingos.
See? They look cute, right?
So cute. Oh my goodness, we're gonna come back here. We're going to the bird show. Let's go down. Free fly bird show.
So it's free, you don't have to pay.
Yeah, we don't have.
You.
But we have to pay to go in. German peacock prison. It's talking. Free fly bird show. I don't know what was that. What? I think we are.
Hello, Solo.
Wow, Josie. Come, let me help you.
Now that Solo is out here,
Did I sit down here?
I must tell you that he's
Mm.
when we got him,
Come on, Mom. Go up me.
he was only 3 months old. And on the
Yeah.
side,
This side, yeah.
over 11 kg. So it was really a fully grown bird at just 3.
Salalanay.
All that data
Panin daw.
Now, another thing to point out with this little guy is obviously the very sturdy pouch that is under the beak. Now, that pouch can actually hold up to 20 liters of water. Now, out in the wild, they're feeding time. You will normally see several pelicans making a huge
What's this
cycle
called?
inside
Pelican.
water just to make sure that they That's some toes. How majestic? Some toes, my boy.
Dude.
Let's get toes. One toe, help us feed for a week. And then 10 toes on stage. You're not doing anything with your toes anyway. Sit back if you want. Let the toes, let the I'm joking, guys. It's not gonna be Put it next to me. So the part that you would rather go for slender meat is obviously in between the ages. But
He's not paying attention to me.
Alright, now one thing to point out with heritage over here is the beak, guys. Can you see the beak?
Yes.
The beak is long, narrow, and it has no hook at all. Which simply tells us that swallows easily down home. Now we would eat up to anything that does anything, frogs, mice, anything, but they preference for snakes. Now what they do with the snake, they actually get the snake by the head because they know and understand that's the most dangerous part. What they would then do, they would actually beat and bash the living daylight out of the poor snake, and then of course swallow that snake down. Oh, and last time there were actually less than 1,500 of them get out in the wild, which is very, very sad, especially considering the fact that they live in groups of 5 to 10, and each group can only raise one chick within a period of 9 years, which makes it very, very difficult. Now, there is a project called the Mabula Ground Home Project that actually aims at protecting and raising those numbers out in the wild. So here, as the bird park, we would like to emphasize that you go home and do a little bit of research about the Mabula Ground Home Project and find out what is it that you can also do to help them out as well. From our side, we've had 11 young mongrels released back into the wild, and we are still hoping to release some more in the future. Now, thank you so much, guys. I did say that we have come to the end of our show. Thank you. It's been an amazing day.